Alright guys, welcome back. The long anticipated video. I knew you guys would be asking for this when I uploaded the brush cutter on the bigger machine. So here it is. We're about to find out. We just got the brush cutter mounted on the MX15R 1 ton Mini X. We got it hooked up, ready to go. So we're fixing to find out. Will it run it or will it not? I can tell you this. Well, you'll see. All right, here we go. We got us a spot picked out. We got our operator. We got our cameras up. Let's see if this heap of junk will, let's see if this super nice MX15 will run this flail mower. All right, guys, so one thing I'm noticing while he's doing this, it's running it better than I anticipated. Running really well, actually. When he does slower swings, it seems to be cutting better. The faster swings, I can tell the mower slows down. But honestly, overall, it's cutting. There's twigs in there, it's cutting them up. At the end of the day, that's what matters. Does it cut? Not, it may cut slower than, the bigger machine did, but it is cutting. So, you be your own judge, but I'm thinking you can run this attachment on this size machine. I'm not telling you it's going to be as efficient as, again, the bigger machine was, but it's running the attachment. That's what this was all about. Will it run the attachment? Yes, it does run the attachment. We're going to try some of these branches here, see how it does on wood. Chopped it right off. One thing about this on this machine though is this attachment is kind of heavy, so you can see the machine is a little tippy. It's not as great as the other machine, but I think it's usable. I don't know. I don't know how much brush you would cut. The other machine, I hadn't found anything yet. I couldn't cut with it. All right, come help me real quick. Oh, whoa, whoa! The tipper?
Oh, well, might sure let the blade down.
Now we know.
He's a little front heavy.
We had some leaks. It was losing pressure. It was slowing down, and it's clogged itself up now. So he's gonna get it unclogged. But you should note that, like I stated earlier, this attachment's heavy for this machine. Now you know. All right, so that was the MX15R. It's got a 13.5 horse Rato engine. This is a single pump unit. We put the brush cutter on it. You've seen the video. You make your own judgments. I'm impressed. I think it did better than I expected. It's not as efficient as the bigger machine. You're not going to cut as much as you would with it. But I think it's still useful. If you could snatch one up at a good deal, I think it'd be worth buying. We got a pretty good deal on this one. Of course, that's because they're not really out, or they just come out. Nobody knew what they were at first, so they're going to go up. These videos start coming out. People see what they're capable of. Prices will go up, so snatch one up while you can. But there you go. 1 ton unit. It's probably about as base as they get. Um, I think it does fine. We'll try to get a couple other machines out here in the next day or so. 23 horse gasser and then a diesel. Put it on those. See if it's better. See if it's the same. It may be the same as this one. It may be as good as the 2-ton was. But there you go, guys. Now you know.